Guys, Abby here. Well, I'm here with a friend. I'm here at the river near our house. Nice river, pretty cold, fun to play in. No fish though. Wish there was fish. And there's some crawdads here. I don't know if you can hear them or not. So, yeah. So
this is just the first thing we're checking out. Probably about a foot there. And further down.
Yeah, I don't really want to look because I'm going to my mom's house. See how deep that is.
We've been way down there.
Yeah.
There's a swamp down that way.
Yeah.
Either that way or
There's a swamp down that way.
Yeah.
Wait, no, it's not that way.
Well,
it's
if you follow the river,
it's
you
that
can
way.
get to it sometime.
Yeah, sometimes. We usually sometimes we'll follow the stream.
Inside the stream.
We'll follow the stream inside, and sometimes we'll come back up through the stream.
There's like a bridge in there.
Yeah, it looks like
Walk on it.
the new people that live here.
Yeah, I think
There's a
some new
house
people
up
live
there.
here.
There's a house up there. I don't know.
See, there's
Yeah,
like
there
a
you go.
log thing over here.
Well, I'm gonna get a drink real quick. Well, all right, let's go. Hopefully I don't drop my tablet. I'm running after my friend. Woo. What you doing?
Looking for that bridge?
Oh yeah, the bridge is farther down this way. Yeah, there's a bridge here. Ow, I just got stabbed.
Oh.
Well, that's not it either. But it looks like a tree fell. Feels like I'm gonna have a heart attack. Hey, buddy. Alright, it's right here. Ooh, flower. Oh look, it says private property. Too bad. Oh no. Oops.
We're above the river right now. It's about almost 2 feet down there.
No, that's actually about a foot. Ooh, what's this?
About.
Oh god.
Pretty nice river.
Nice river. Cold.
I swam in it before.
Good drinks though.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's nice and cold. Alright. Woo.
Like that one, I guess.
Like this.
I don't want them
Yeah.
to see my criminal ways.
Yeah, criminal ways. Thug life, bro.
So I think I might end this video here. And we're going to be doing another one
Yeah,
about a house. Near my house. It's a house.
yeah.
And tell you that already.
We might do another nature one. Go check out his
This is nature part 2.
for him. His is nature part 2. This is nature part 1 for me. I'm probably gonna do another nature part,
And for
but you should go check out his. His is Justin Tipping.
No, it's not. It's capital Z Rake.
So you
It's Rake
so you fixed it.
7830 or 7380.
Uh,
Well, I'm gonna end this video here.
yeah.
Bye. See you again.
Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.